Hey, hi there, Manish here. So I would like to quickly demonstrate you the Google App Script capabilities and what kind of experience I have on it, so I can add value to your projects. So first of all, Google App Script is basically a Java-based script which can automate most of the tasks inside Google Suite. So it covers Google Sheet, Google Drive, as well as Gmail. And I'm going to quickly showcase you what all things I have done with Google Sheets for different projects. So you can see on my screen, this is one of the client coming from Canada, and he's creating multiple intercompany invoices using QuickBooks. So here you can see this entire Google Sheet is created. And now over here, I wrote a short Google App script, which is triggering webhooks based upon as soon as the client clicks on this button, create invoices, it is going to trigger the webhook and it carries all the information to this particular platform called make.com. And from there, we are creating invoices inside QuickBooks. Now, second, this particular automation I did for a complete Twilio-based SMS drip campaign. So as soon as any contact added to this drip campaign, entire Google App script is going to run and it will send all these 10 messages in a sequence on a particular day difference. So from here, you can see the first message will be sent after 2 days, second will be even after 2 days of the subsequent 2 days and so on. And here you see, so this is a small CRM kind of list. So over here, we just have to add the prospect details, their phone number, and click start. And then the funnel will start automatically using the Google App Script. So over here, you can see this entire app script is written along with Twilio APIs. And the app script will handle, it's going to run on a everyday basis, daily basis at a particular time, and will send the relevant message to all the stakeholders. Now, another example where I connected Google Sheets directly with ChatGPT. So over here, this particular client wanted to generate content for his various post and business plans. So he just had to mention a couple of things, the entire Google Drive link for a particular content, and then ChatGPT APIs are called from this app script and generating all these content for each of the questions. Similar way, there is the project management stuff which I did. So over here, I'm managing all the project for different clients, and this entire app script is handling all the formatting part, all the layout part, project allocation, task reminder, and so on. And finally, last one, I'll quickly showcase you the task management stuff I did on app script. So this is a basic graph, and this is how the entire task board look like. So as soon as any task assigned to any of the team member, the system will send a WhatsApp directly from Google App Script from the sheet. And over here you can see, so this app script is written along with the entire WhatsApp body message, their API key, everything. And these message will go when when the particular task is assigned and if the task gets overdue. So yeah, these kind of things can be done very well into Google App Script. We can connect any sort of APIs with external systems. We can schedule App Script runs, or as well as we can also make it on open, on edit, or on a trigger click or something, right? So App Script is endless. We can do almost any kind of things inside Google environment. And I would love to join and connect with you to explore more about your project and how I can add value with my own experience. So let's jump on a call, let's connect, and let's start your automation journey. Thank you very much. Good day.